All right, today we're gonna be taking a look at a supplement from PURMEO. Now this one's gonna be a probiotic balance supplement, and this is really gonna help with gut pain, indigestion, gas, bloating, pretty much anything to do with your digestive system. It's gonna have 4 different strains of probiotic in here that are backed by 35 different clinical trials. And that's something that you really wanna look for. You know, you don't wanna just go on Amazon and pick out any random supplement. You're gonna be putting this in your body. It's gonna be affecting your body. You really wanna make sure that you're going with something that is, number one, really high ingredient quality, as well as something that's actually been tested. And this one has had 35 clinical tests for these strains of probiotics, and it's something that's really trusted. This brand, PURMEO, is also one of the best brands here on Amazon when it comes to probiotic supplements. So you know you're gonna be getting the best ingredients. Now this one right here is gonna have 60 total capsules. You can take 1 capsule per day, so this will last you about 2 months. But I always would recommend for you to just test it out, see how it works, because a lot of probiotics, some work for some people, others work for other people. It really just depends how your body reacts to it. So you just gotta test it out, see how it goes, give it, you know, a couple days, maybe a week, and see how it works for you. So if you're looking for a good probiotic supplement, something to kind of ease that gut pain and really fix your gut, then this is the one that I would definitely recommend.